देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना, अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना, देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना.
School only you were clear that you want to pursue music.
I was clear since I was born that I'm doing music no matter what.
You're doing music. आपके मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी that you were 4 years old when you actually
Yeah.
started playing harmonica.
Yes.
4 साल का बच्चा.
4 साल का था, and that also I saw my father play the harmonica. So I think the talent has also come through
अच्छा.
Papa, Mom to a certain extent. They are all ardent lovers of music. From the word go, and I got so many awards while I was growing up in school. I got through to Stephens, I got through to Hindu, I got through to the best of colleges on the quota.
Okay,
I
the
actually-
music quota.
The music quota.
Oh.
And my sisters having 90, 98%, 95% didn't get through any of these. And I told my dad, I said, listen, I told you I will get through. Now I'm choosing.
Dad was with the police service, is that correct?
Yes. He's ex-army, he's Sena Medal, and he retired as the Director General of Police. Took early retirement and joined IPS.
So Raghav Sachar comes from such a family. There was no pressure to take UPSC. Raghav Sachar.
No, all luckily, thank God for my sisters. They had already exhausted themselves enough with both of them, and they pushed them. मेरे को भी किया था कुछ ऐसा नहीं, and I was not a great student.
Okay.
I used to be like 60-70%, although I did get a 75-80% in my 12th. I was like, guys, have a look at that. Now that's enough. And then I got Stephens and all. I said, end result se matlab rakho aap. And in fact, when I went to do my education in Australia, also my mum came to settle me in at that time. And she said, beta, double degree kar le. कि अगर 1% नहीं चला, म्यूजिक इज सच अ फील्ड, तो कुछ फॉल बैक तो होना चाहिए. I said, मेरे को फॉल बैक नहीं चाहिए. अब नहीं होता इतना, because there are so many other things that have taken over. But at that time, when I was at my peak practice time, I used to practice at least 14 hours, like constantly practice. I used to faint. I've played in the Uncle Chips ad. Bole mere lips. Then I've done the Tera Man Roshan, Tera Dhan Roshan, Mera Man Roshan, all those ads. So I started with the ad film business with Pradeep Sarkar in Delhi. हमें one take करना है. The reason why it takes time for us to do like an 11 instrument, 500-600 takes, is because
you want that one
take.
Yeah, you want that one
I don't want a break. And that is where I would say the magic happens, because it's one take.
So your Saxy Sunday soprano.
So Saxy Sundays are the international content. So this is where I'm trying to, my agenda is that I want to appeal to everybody. And I'm very happy that I'm hearing the feedback that I am appealing to a vast
range of people. It's not just the youngsters, Raghav. A lot of people are getting hooked onto your music.
I'm very glad, because to be able to capture a segment like 25 to 35 is a different ball game.
जब आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि हाँ मैं ये गाना बजाना चाहता हूँ और वो आपने अभी तक नहीं बजाई है, जैसे आपने बैक पाइप वाली इंसिडेंट बताई, कितना समय लगता है राघव को एक गाना पिकअप करके उसको मास्टर करके प्ले करने में?
It's instant. That's the
It's
reason.
Instant.
That's the reason we are able to do this very, very often.
That is what I've been thinking. Every day, how does he come up with a new song?
Oh, you don't understand the amount of work that goes behind it.